What's going on, guys? So today we are putting a cold air intake on the Scat pack. It was a bugger getting that old one off. It was on there. She definitely wasn't leaking any air. Anyway, let's jump right into it. Well, you see it. This is going to get bolted to the fender. This will get bolted here. It'll get tightened up in the back. This little doohickey, you'll suck these doohickeys together, and then boom, put your intake on the end. So, forced air growing bigger, coming all the way up to an inlet like that. Looks nice. The instructions kind of stunk, but like I said, this, put your rubber grommet on here, that'll get bolted there, that'll get bolted to the factory deal, this will all get tied together, and then you put your intake right on this end inlet here. Obviously my sweaty ass is gonna dry everything off. Yo, so as you're wrapping up, that's what you should start to see. That looks so much more aggressive. It says it adds 22 horsepower, obviously powered by SRT. Who cares about the 22 horsepower? I'm purely doing this for the looks, and that looks sick. Holy smokes. That's beautiful. Shall we have a drink in celebration? This little diet green tea. Oh my goodness though. That's beautiful. All right, let's get this all finished up and cleaned up, and let's do a startup. I can hear definitely a difference. Guys, thanks for sticking around. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to smash that like button. If you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that post notification button so you get notified as soon as we update new content. And again, we'll see you in the next one.